everyone, welcome back to 7 Days channel. Today again I'm outside, so if you hear animal sounds or countryside sounds, just act normal, okay? I'm outside because I really want to show you this DIY. Actually, I started with Pinterest, as everyone is doing, right? You too, I'm pretty sure about it, with this picture. But then I decided to do it a little bit more different, because I realized that if I'm gonna put the iron bucket directly to the wall, when it's raining, maybe the wall is gonna stain. So we decided to use something really cheap, that are the wooden pallets. The first thing that you have to do is actually to attach the iron bucket to the pallet. You're gonna screw your small screws inside the piece of wood and inside the iron bucket. So one in the middle, and then you can decide the other two if you want to put it a little bit inside, more inside or outside, okay? Then I really suggest you to drill the bottom of your buckets to drain the water. When you have the piece of wood and the 3 buckets, you're gonna put it to the wall, you're gonna level it, and then you're gonna drill 2 holes. One between the first and the second bucket, and the other between the second and the third bucket. Again, if you can measure it, of course it's better. When you have done it, it means that you passed through your wood, and of course you will have a sign to know where to drill inside your wall. We have guests. Okay, hi Evie. Say hi to everyone. You're gonna drill your wall, and then you're gonna use expansion screws. So of course, first you put your piece of plastic. Then you're gonna put again your piece of wood and you screw inside. I really suggest you to put between the wood and the actual screw this a circular piece of metal, because it's gonna distribute the pressure. Sometimes the screw is getting inside the wood, and of course you have a problem, because then it's not gonna support anything. Then comes the funny part. I decided to use 3 by 3, so exactly 9 buckets, and I had to decide between 9 spices. So I got basil, I got rosemary, I got thyme, I got lemon thyme, I got arborisca. I have no idea what's the translation of it, because also in Italian I didn't understand. Maybe it's something Greek, but I got this, and you can make a liqueur or something like this. Then I got mint, yes, I got peppermint, and I got valeriana, and then for the last one I have lavender. Even if when you're gonna see these shots, these footages, it was oreganos, but I don't know why it died. Passed away. I got really small blackboards where I could write with a chalk what is what. And of course the funny part is not only to choose what is inside the bucket, but also to put all the plants inside the buckets. And of course you can do it in a style that you prefer. Actually, maybe during the time you can also see if maybe someone is better in the higher place and someone is better in the lower place. Okay, said so. I really suggest you to do it in your house too, because actually I really get a lot of compliments when people come to visit me. So if you have a wall, it's really easy and super cheap. So I really suggest you to do. And not only, it's also super useful, because you come, you grab whatever you would like, you cook it, and you're good to go. So that's it for today. I really hope that you liked this DIY. See you soon on the next episode. I don't know. Actually, I would really like to hear from you if you prefer DIYs, if you prefer much more outfit videos, if you prefer makeover videos, if you prefer house, if you prefer unboxing. Tell me. Like, get 1 second and comment. Okay? See you soon. Press the red button. It's the subscription. Thank you so much. Come. This is the guy that ruined my ending. So guys, press the like button, press the subscription button. We love you. Bye bye. Meow, meow. You're gonna drill your wall and then... Actually, not even... Thank you, wind! Amore, hello. This is Argo. And then I... Leave everything down, okay? I wanna show these bow sandals because I love them. Ooh.